Did you know that your liver could be holding onto years of toxins, silently affecting your energy, digestion, and even your skin? Most people don't realize their liver is overburdened until it's too late. But here's the good news. You can naturally support and detox your liver with just a few powerful herbs. And these aren't some exotic remedies you've never heard of. They're natural, accessible, and incredibly effective for healing your liver and even reversing fatty liver. Let's dive in, because this could change your life. Your liver is your body's main detox powerhouse, filtering out toxins, chemicals, and waste every single day. But when it's overloaded with processed foods, alcohol, environmental toxins, or even stress, it can't function properly. That's when you start to feel the signs: low energy, brain fog, digestive issues, and stubborn weight that just won't budge. If you've been feeling any of these symptoms, it's your body's way of telling you your liver needs help. One of the best herbs to start with is milk thistle. This herb is like a shield for your liver. It contains a compound called silymarin, which not only helps protect liver cells from damage but also supports their repair and regeneration. Think of milk thistle as your liver's personal bodyguard, standing between it and the toxins trying to invade. Taking milk thistle regularly can help reduce inflammation and even reverse some of the damage caused by a fatty liver. Another incredible herb is dandelion root. While most people think of dandelions as weeds, the root is actually a powerful detoxifier. It stimulates bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and flushing toxins out of your system. If your liver has been struggling, adding dandelion root tea or a supplement to your daily routine can help get things moving again. Next up is turmeric, a golden powerhouse for liver health. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It not only helps reduce liver inflammation, but also increases the production of enzymes that flush out toxins. Adding turmeric to your diet or taking it as a supplement can do wonders for liver repair and detoxification. You also can't forget about artichoke leaf. This herb is amazing for increasing bile flow and protecting the liver from oxidative stress. It works synergistically with other herbs like milk thistle, making it even more effective in a detox protocol. If you're dealing with fatty liver, artichoke leaf can help improve fat metabolism and support the liver in processing waste more efficiently. Another herb to consider is burdock root. Burdock root is a natural blood purifier, and since your liver works closely with your blood to filter toxins, it gives your liver a much-needed boost. It's especially helpful if you're dealing with skin issues like acne or eczema, as those are often signs of a sluggish liver. Drinking burdock root tea or taking it in supplement form is an easy way to support your detox journey. Now that you know about these powerful herbs, it's time to put them to work. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 into your daily routine, whether it's as a tea, tincture, or supplement. Consistency is key when it comes to detoxing and healing your liver. So, give your body time to adjust and start reaping the benefits. But remember, herbs alone aren't enough if you're still bombarding your liver with toxins every day. Cut back on processed foods, alcohol, and sugary drinks and focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods that nourish your body. Stay hydrated, get plenty of sleep, and don't forget to move your body. Exercise is crucial for supporting your liver's detox pathways. Healing your liver isn't just about detoxing. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports long-term health. When your liver is healthy, your whole body benefits. You'll feel more energized, your digestion will improve, and even your skin will start to glow. So, start small, be consistent, and trust the process. Your liver works hard for you every day. It's time to give it the care it deserves. If this video inspired you to take action, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more tips on how to detox, heal, and transform your health naturally. Together, we can take back control of our health, one step at a time.